Let's face it, death and disability aren't exactly hot topics. Certainly something none of us like to think about, let alone talk about. But at the 4Life Network, we're all about facing reality and realizing your hopes and dreams. To put it simply, our aim is to help you create a better life for you and your loved ones. In the event of your death, do you have a plan in place to ensure that your family need not worry about the heavy financial burden of funeral expenses, unpaid debts, or having no access to cash during that difficult time? And if protecting your lifestyle and planning ahead to ensure your family's financial future tops your to-do list, then you're onto a good thing with the 4Life Network. Always remember, your future lifestyle, the future you dream of, is determined by the financial plans that you make today. So to make sure you get it right, the 4Life Network has developed two major policies to give you the best possible cover and assurance and ease those sleepless nights. The Lifestyle Protector Plan and the 4Life Funeral Protector Plan are both fully comprehensive and affordable policies.
So let me start with giving you the lowdown on the Lifestyle Protector Plan. As a 4Life Network business owner, your residual income is what's funding those extra holidays, better education for your kids, or that new home you've just bought. But if you were to suddenly become disabled or pass away, what would happen to your family and the lifestyle they've become accustomed to? And that's why, right now, protecting your income from the 4Life Network should be your most important financial priority. The 4Life Network Lifestyle Protector Plan is your answer to protecting you and your family financially should anything ever happen to you. The Lifestyle Protector Plan does even more than protect your referral income from the 4Life Network. It helps you minimize the financial impacts and setbacks caused by death, disability, or critical illness. With this plan in place, you and your family will be able to maintain your lifestyle and you'll have access to these incredible benefits. The referral income benefit makes sure that you and your family are able to remain financially stable should you become disabled or in the event of your death. By having this policy in place, your beneficiary will be paid out a lump sum equal to 12 months referral income in the event of your death. Your beneficiary will also receive a monthly payment equal to the referral earnings as per the month prior to the claim for 24 months thereafter. In the event of disability, we'll pay this amount to you. But let me explain exactly how it works. Here's an example. If you become disabled, the 4Life Network will look at the last amount paid to you as referral earnings. So let's pretend it was 20,000 Rand. As soon as we've received all the necessary claims documentation, in this scenario, we'll pay you out a lump sum of 240,000 Rand. That's your 20,000 Rand referral pay times 12 months. Now, on top of that, we'll also pay you that same monthly figure of 20,000 Rand every month for the next 24 months. How's that for protecting your income and your family's lifestyle? Here are a few more benefits we've created for Lifestyle Protector Plan members. We'll provide life cover of up to 250,000 Rand each for you and your spouse, and up to 10,000 Rand for a maximum of 4 children. On top of that, we'll cover you and your spouse on the accidental death benefit for up to 100,000 Rand, and this will kick in immediately from the start date of your policy. We'll also provide you with an accelerated critical illness benefit, meaning we'll pay you out 100% of the sum assured upfront if you, as the policyholder, are diagnosed with a critical illness. This means that your death benefit will be paid upfront. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, it is good, but it is also true. Let me explain how it works. Let's pretend you've taken out the 4Life Network Lifestyle Protector Plan and insured yourself for 250,000 Rand. If you were to die from natural causes, that sum of 250,000 Rand would be paid out to your beneficiary. But in this scenario, let's also pretend that your last referral pay earnings was 20,000 Rand. Once we receive all the necessary claims documentation, we'll pay out the referral income protector benefit, which the lump sum we worked out just now of 240,000 Rand, your referral pay earning of 20,000 Rand times 12 months, And in addition, we'll keep paying the beneficiary that 20,000 Rand a month for 24 months. Now, on top of that, your beneficiary will be paid the sum assured of 250,000 Rand, which is the amount of cover you insured yourself for. This means that in the event of your death from natural causes, your beneficiary will receive a once-off lump sum payment of 490,000 Rand. And at the end of the 24 months, we'll have paid your beneficiary a total amount of 970,000 Rand. But if you were to die in an accident, we'll pay your beneficiary the referral income protector lump sum that we've just worked out of 240,000 Rand, plus the guaranteed monthly payment of 20,000 Rand for 24 months, plus the sum assured of 250,000 Rand. And in addition to this, the accidental death benefit of 100,000 Rand. This means that your beneficiary will be paid a once-off lump sum payment of 590,000 Rand, and including the monthly payments and accidental death benefit, a total of 1,070,000 Rand will be paid to your beneficiary at the end of 24 months. With the 4Life network, you always get more. Let's look at the value-added benefits that come with the Lifestyle Protector Plan. If you do not make any claims on your policy and you pay your premiums every month for 4 years, we will give you 50% of your first year's premiums back. And this benefit will be repeated every 4 years, provided there have been no claims on the policy. Then there's the family support benefit, which makes sure that the rest of your family members will be covered just when they need it most, whether by having access to emergency services such as emergency medical response services or cost-free transportation of the deceased. Sound like a good deal? We also offer an optional life cover benefit for your parents of up to 30,000 Rand. With this, you'll be able to cover the lives of your parents and parents-in-law, allowing you to be able to give their memories lasting dignity. And to top off these already incredible benefits, we'll give you automatic inflation protection of 5%, and we'll do this annually on your anniversary of your policy. This will make sure that your benefits are protected against inflation, and as your premiums escalate, so too does your benefit amount. There's one more benefit we've created to make life just that little bit easier. Most insurance companies insist on you having a medical examination when signing up for a life cover policy. We don't. And in addition, we guarantee that your application will be accepted when applying for cover of up to 250,000 Rand. All you need to do is fill in the declaration of health on the product application form, informing us of your health status. How's that for a hassle-free step towards peace of mind? With the financial security this Lifestyle Protector Plan offers, you will leave behind a lasting legacy. So now you've taken the steps to ensure your family's financial protection. But have you thought about the finer details, like what would your family do in an emergency? Or how would they cover your funeral costs? Would they have immediate access to a lump sum of cash in the event of your death? In case you didn't know, these days funerals in South Africa can set the deceased's family back by around 20,000 Rand. A pretty hefty sum of money, right? Does your family have access to cash like this, and quickly? Do you have life cover in place? Will that life cover pay out quickly enough to cover the costs of a funeral? This is just one more worry that the 4Life network can ease. The 4Life Funeral Protector Plan helps you plan ahead and make provisions to protect your family from any debt or hardship in the event of your death. By paying out a lump sum in the event of your death, we assure you that your family will be able to cover any funeral expenses, helping to ease them through what we know will be an extremely traumatic experience. We've put together a comprehensive range of benefits to protect them against the unforeseen, which is just what you need. With this policy, we'll provide funeral cover of up to 30,000 Rand for you, and you can include your partner and up to 5 biological or legally adopted children too. We'll also pay out double the value of your selected cover amount, up to 60,000 Rand in the event of an accidental death of any life assured, and for the policyholder only, we'll provide debility cover of 20,000 Rand. Added to this, as with the Lifestyle Protector Plan, we'll protect your policy premium against inflation, and we'll guarantee you acceptance when you apply for your funeral policy without having to go for a medical examination. To make sure things run smoothly, all claims will be paid out within 48 hours of receiving all necessary documentation. Sounds like a good deal? Well, it gets better. We've thrown in the additional 4Life Care benefit at no extra costs, giving your family 24-hour access, 7 days a week, to expert assistance and advice. In the event of a death, we will provide funeral support, including assistance and advice on claim procedures and transportation of the deceased from any of our neighboring countries to the funeral home closest to the place of burial in South Africa. Here's more. Your family will have access to a 24-hour phone line for assistance with any medical advice. For insured members who suffer any kind of assault or trauma or possible HIV contamination, they'll be eligible for 5,000 Rand worth of medical treatment and counseling. In addition, we'll provide an emergency medical response service, providing medical attention and transportation to the nearest medical facility in the event of medical emergency. And lastly, should you or your family members need legal advice, we've provided a legal support service phone helpline for assistance on any legal matters, including labor laws and tax information.